In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to Outlook email messages. Now to do this, there's going to be a bunch of different ways, but the one I like using is categories, okay? So let me show you how I actually do this. To add notes over here inside your inbox, all you have to do is simply right-click on the mail you want to add a note to, and then go to categories and hover over it, and simply click on your new category at the bottom. Now in here, you can just name your category, but this is actually going to be a note. So I'm going to type in, for example, reply today like this. I'm going to type it in, change the color, and I'm going to click on save. As you can see, this email has now gotten a note over here. It's actually a category, but really it works as a note as well. So if I go over here and, for example, add a new one, I'm going to right click, I'm going to click on categories, and then again, I'm going to add a new category. So for example, this email is an email from or whatever, okay? I can just type in whatever, and I'll be able to then click on the color I want, for example, this, click on save, and there we go. As you can see, I'm going to add like a note on here. Now, yes, it's a category, but of course, after you don't need them anymore, you can simply go to categories, manage categories, and you can just delete those you don't need like this. And of course, that's essentially all you have to do, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.